This is a Roaming Railfan special report. On the morning of June 2nd, 2021, a cement truck struck the Florida East Coast Railway's Crane Creek Bridge in downtown Melbourne, Florida, forcing the bridge to be taken out of service. Here's a look at the bridge's location and where the impact occurred, as seen by the white arrow. To help get the bridge reopened for limited, priority traffic, cribbing was laid on Melbourne Avenue to help support the bridge segment. You can see how significant the impact was here. On site for the repairs were members of the Florida East Coast Railway's Maintenance of Way team. Crews from the Johnson Bridge Company, which was already on site working on the new bridge for Brightline that will end up replacing the damaged bridge, were also assisting. Looking down the track, you can see a slight bend in the rails. Temporary repairs had been made to partially straighten this out so trains could cross at no more than 10 miles per hour, based on the radio communications with the train crews I heard. A large crane from the Beyel Brothers had recently arrived as well and was being set up to assist. Melbourne Avenue had been shut down since the strike occurred. Crews had temporary cones and barriers blocking the nearby roads during the day and were in the process of bringing in concrete barriers to provide something more substantial. As I mentioned, this bridge is actually in the process of being replaced. Brightline is currently in the process of double-tracking the existing Florida East Coast Railway's main line from West Palm Beach to Cocoa, and this bridge will be replaced by a new double-track bridge in the process. Beams for the first track of the new bridge have started to be installed. The new bridge will have a higher clearance over the road, hopefully preventing an incident like this in the future. The structure the yellow crane is on is a temporary work trestle. The blue segment sitting on it is a special section that will provide a higher clearance for boaters compared to the rest of the bridge spans. Once the first track of the new bridge is complete and trains are able to run across it, this old bridge, which was originally built in the 1920s, will be demolished. That should happen by the end of the year, so any repairs being made now only need to last until then. You can see the crane extending here. And here's FEC Train 202, which is the second train to cross the bridge since the temporary repairs were made. The first was Train 101, which passed shortly before I arrived. Thanks for watching. Be sure to the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.